In this video, we're going to show how to assemble the Human Touch Forti. The first step we're going to do is to gently raise the backrest to an upright position. It will lock into place. And then install the remote holder on the left-hand armrest. See the hook and loop fasteners on the top there? Use the hook and loop fasteners on the remote holder to attach that. Now we're ready to install the armrest. We'll start with the left-hand armrest. First thing to do is make sure that air hose that's on the seat is out of the way so we don't pinch it. Next, notice the tube on the front of the armrest in the corresponding hole in the chair frame. So while you align the armrest with the chair frame, look from the side to make sure the tube is aligned with the hose before pressing firmly down. Once the armrest is pressed firmly into place, you can install 3 of the provided screws using a 4mm Allen wrench to secure it. And repeat the same process to install the right-hand armrest. Now we're ready to install the seat cushion. The first step is to locate the flap on the side of the seat cushion that is hiding the hose connector and align that connector with the corresponding hose connector coming from the seat. Once that connection is secure, pull that flap back over the hose connection so the hose connection is secured underneath the flap. Then flip the cushion over and put it into position and push firmly down. It will secure to the chair frame using the hook and loop fasteners. Next step is to zip the thigh airbags to the corresponding zipper on the side of the armrest. Next, we're ready to install the shoulder air panels. It's important to make sure that you have the right panel. So the panel should appear narrow on the top and wide on the bottom. That will let you know that you have the right one. So simply align the posts with the corresponding holes and press it firmly into place until it clicks. And then zip the flap to the corresponding zipper on the chair behind the backrest. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Again, narrow on the top, wide on the bottom. Can adjust the shoulder panels to the narrow or wide position by simply pushing in from the outside. So you can adjust those as you wish. And then finally, the last step is to place the head pillow into place. Simply take the tongue of the pillow, slide it underneath that retaining strap in the back, and adjust the head pillow to the desired height. And we're done.